And in front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to reach your phone dialer right here, then go to Contacts, pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, so it can be Rooney, tap on More icon then, and select Edit. And now if you want to add a profile picture, click on camera icon in the middle of the screen, and you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can select a photo from your gallery. And I will pick photo from my gallery, and let me pick, for example, this one, mark it. And you can pick the application that you would like to crop it with. I will go with Photos. Got it. And as you can see here, you can rotate it as only you want to. You can also crop it. And let me leave it this way. Tap on Done then, and click on confirmation mark. As you can see from now on, this profile picture is assigned to Rooney. And this is it. That would be all. This is how you can add photo to contact, how you can personalize contacts in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.